Let's see the MCQs in biomechanics part 2. Number 1. The term creep in biomechanics refers to dash. A. Instant deformation. B. Delayed deformation under constant load. C. Muscle fatigue. D. Joint dislocation. So the answer is B. Delayed deformation under constant load. Number 2. A force that acts perpendicular to a surface is called A. Shear force. B. Normal force. C. Tensile force. D. Torsion. The answer is normal force. Number 3. The inverse relationship between force and velocity is explained in A. Hill's equation. B. Hooke's law. C. Newton's second law. D. Bernoulli's principle. So the answer is A. Hill's equation. Number 4. Wolff law relates to the dash. A. Muscle adaptation. B. Bone remodeling. C. Nerve conduction. D. Gait cycle. So the answer is B. Bone remodeling. 5. Strain is defined as A. Force per unit area. B. Deformation per original length. C. Energy stored. D. Resistance to motion. So the answer is deformation per original length. Number 6. The type of force responsible for rotation around a joint is A. Shear force. B. Torque. C. Compression. D. Tension. So the answer is B. Torque. Number 7. Which of the following is a scalar quantity? A. Displacement. B. Velocity. C. Acceleration. D. Speed. So the answer is D. Speed. Number 8. The moment arm is defined as A. Angle between the force and resistance. B. Distance from the axis to the line of force. C. Torque multiplied by time. D. Load per unit area. So the answer is B. Distance from the axis to the line of force. Number 9. Gait cycle begins with A. Toe off. B. Heel off. C. Mid stance. D. Initial swing. So the answer is heel strike. Number 10. Open kinetic chain exercise is A. Leg press. B. Squat. C. Seated knee extension. D. Step up. So the answer is seated knee extension. Number 11. Which of the following is not a function of synovial fluid? A. Lubrication. B. Shock absorption. C. Nourishment. D. Muscle contraction. So the answer is D. Muscle contraction. Number 12. The ideal angle for maximal force generation in muscle is around A. 45 degree. B. 90 degree. C. 135 degree. D. 180 degree. So the answer is B. 90 degree. Number 30. In a concentric contraction, A. Muscle shortens. B. Muscle lengthens. C. No movement occurs. D. Joint angle remains unchanged. So the answer is A. Muscle shortens. Number 14. The Q angle is associated with A. Shoulder. B. Ankle. C. Hip. D. Knee. So the answer is D. Knee. Number 15. The mechanical advantage of a second class lever is A. Always less than 1. B. Always equal to 1. C. Always greater than 1. D. Varies. So the answer is C. Always greater than 1. Number 16. The stress strain curve is used to measure A. Acceleration. B. Force. C. Elasticity. D. Inertia. So the answer is C. Elasticity. Number 17. Which plane divides the body into the anterior and posterior parts? A. Sagittal. B. Transverse. C. Frontal. D. Oblique. So the answer is C. Frontal. Number 18. Torque is measured in A. Newtons. B. Joules. C. Nm. Newtons meter. D. M by S square. So the answer is Nm. Newton meter. Number 19. Which of the following is a third class lever? A. Calf raise. B. Jaw opening. C. Biceps curl. D. Neck extension. So the answer is biceps curl. Number 20. The normal base of support while standing is approximately A. 2 to 4 inches. B. 4 to 6 inches. C. 6 to 8 inches. D. 8 to 10 inches. So the correct answer is 4 to 6 inches. So thank you for watching the video.